ba? Hi, Jimmy. Thank you, Jimmy. Tom, hello. Thank you, Jimmy. Unlock well. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you so much, Jimmy. Thank you, Jimmy. Nasundanam. I hope you, your luck. Go, Jimmy. Stewie, hello. Oh my God, I hope you win, Jimmy. I hope you won. I hope you won, Jimmy. Oh, you won. Thank you so much, Jimmy. Ah, you was mute? How? I sorry. Sorry, Petrol. I accidental. I accidentally mute you. Sorry. Sorry, I accidentally mute. Sorry. Hello. I don't know. I mute you. Sorry. I think it was. Oh, yeah. Because I don't click anything. I don't click anything. I don't know. Chris Daddy Makalo. I think Bigo was thank you so much. I think Bigo was the one who mute you. I don't mute you, sorry. You're welcome. ID number, hello. You're welcome, Petrol. I hope you have a positive mind here in my life. Sorry because uh I'm boring, but I know I hope you have you have a good year this year. You know, last month it's not my month. ID number no. It's not my month because I have a lot of problem last month. But now uh I'm trying. Even last month is not good on me. It's life, It's okay, it's life. Sometimes they have a struggle and a problem that you need to solve, right? And I'm happy, but I will listen if you want to share. Yeah, I was happy because Zebelo, what do you call that? Yeah, thank you so much. Ricky, hello. Wafa there. Hello. Hello, guys. I hope you're doing great. Manhirot, hello. What you doing, Patrol? Are you at home? Are you working? Hello. Hello, Wafadar. I hope gives you blessing. Yeah, I hope this I hope this month I get my quota. Because last month I didn't get it. But it's okay, even small. I get even small. I I don't have a work. I don't have a work petrol. Because because I have a baby. I have a 1-year-old baby. Steve, hello. It's okay. Yeah, this is work, yes. It's like Teddy, hello. It's like what do you call that? I'm like a call center agent because here in the Philippines, I was live at 3 a.m. in the morning, Hokage, hello, when my baby was sleeping. I was live when my baby is sleeping. Yuki, hello. Hello guys. I hope you're doing great. I hope you have a good day. Bag, Shawi. Underscore, hello. May he experience man. Thank you so much. Halloween, thank you. Bob, hello. Kaso, hello. Thank you guys. Even she's a girl. She's girl. Thank you guys. Even a small gift helps me to my quota. Thank you so much. Master Hokage, hello. Thank you so much. Salomin, thank you. Hala, thank you so much, Salomin. It's helped me, guys. Even a small gift, it's helped me. So thank you. Thank you so much. May she always have smiles. Yeah. She's a happy kid. She always smiling. Hi, Crown. I'm doing live. Sometimes when my baby was sleeping, I can do live 5 hours straight. But sometimes when my babies woke up, I only have 1 hour. I only live 1 hour because my baby was woke up. Before I was on live 1 hour and my baby suddenly woke up. I'm just grinding. I'm just grind this month. I'm just trying to reach the I'm just trying to reach my quota. I hope I can reach it. I know I can reach it with the hard work. If you have a hard work, you will reach what you want, right? Nasaan ka na ba? Kailan lapitan mo na ako? Yeah, you need to hard work. No easy money. It is no easy money, right? You need to hard work of it. But you will be rewarded. Yeah. When you have a hard work, you reward God reward you a lot. Even not in money, but in health. Yeah. Even not in money. You can rewarded in your health that you have a healthy body, right? And then healthy baby. I'm just thank you. ID number, hello. Do you support a random here, petrol?